Welcome viewer. This video tutorial describes, easily update all drivers on Windows 11. First method is update driver automatically. Second method is update using optional updates option. Third method is using third-party application. I hope this tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.